Hi, Baba. Saan tayo ngayon, Baba?
Shikis.
Sa Shikis. Shakis. Ano to? Ano yan? Iced tea? Iced tea. Ay, may dumaan na ano. Ding dong, ding dong. Wow. Bakit? Patingin ako ng relo mo. Patingin ako ng relo mo. Wow, cute. Congratulations.
I win.
You win. Anong pangalan? Oh, hindi yan sponsor. Hindi yan sponsor, ah. Hey guys, andito kami ngayon sa Shikis. Andito kami ngayon sa Shikis. Bulag nga bil ba? Suwang pula ng labi ko pala.
Oh my God! Wow!
Ganda ng kasama ko. What is this? It's a garlic bread. Hindi siya garlic rice. Sige na, kain na tayo. Wow! Cheers! Sarap. Nainit ko siya. Mainit-init pa. Ano to? Anniversary vlog. Baba. Anniversary vlog. Harap ng bread. Lambot, no?
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going.
Bigyan natin ng juice ang ating darling. Nap-nat? Serve yourself. Ay! May nadala. Cheers. Sana all.
Going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Cheers. Malalasahan mo talaga ang garlic, no? Ang lambot ng bread. Mainit pa. Ang lambot. Lambot, mabango. Tapos ang lasa mo yung butter tsaka garlic. Cheers. Wow! What is this? How is that? You ask me.
Like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim. No.
Chicken and tomato. Patata. Chicken and patata. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Enjoy. Enjoy, Baba.
Says we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, go down.
Sarap. Sarap ng gravy. recipe nila. Pwede siya ulam sa kanin. Ano naman? Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung paminta. Ang patata. Patata chips. Kebaba. Wow! Victoria, sana. Enjoy! So, mamaya ulit guys, kakain muna kami ha. Kain muna kami.
Easy, I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby you're still.
Cheers! Sarap ng balat ng chicken lang. Ang sarap ng balat ng chicken guys. Masarap pa to sa lechon. Ano kaya yung tumutulong mo? Kapag may nag-order. Ha? Sarap guys. Papakamay lang.
Where we gotta be, you know I'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Hi guys. Sobra kami busog na ibang bulan. Wow! Busog. Busog much. Sana ayun guys, tapos na kami higa mag-dinner. Early dinner. Alas 5 pa lang dinner na kami. So, hindi namin naubos ang pagkain namin kasi good for 3 persons pala ito na-order namin eh. So, maya-maya, labas na kami. Kutikot muna kami papatunaw ng pagkain. So, ayun guys. Dito na muna ang ating video. Sa susunod ulit. But please, to
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for